Hi everyone, in this video I'll be discussing the amount of research that goes into building a Factory 533 hot rod. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel about building a kit car and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. You might be saying, Jim, when are you going to show us the goods and start this build? Well, you have to realize for every video I put out, there's over 30 hours of research that goes into the topic. And we're not talking about making the video. We're talking about each car topic of which engine should I build, am I buying, am I building, etc. Remember, I'm not a mechanic, so I have to fully flush out these ideas to not have any major gotchas down the road. I am starting with a clean slate and digging into one topic at a time. And if the results of the research changes something else I've already researched, then down another rabbit hole I go. And since I'm a budget-conscious person, I rather research twice and buy once. If I had a lot of money, I guess I could just take people's word for things and purchase things, but my build would not be efficient and probably be 30 to 40% higher in cost and have a few redos. So to answer the questions of how much research will it take, I will say thousands of hours if you've never done it before. For instance, if you've never built an engine before, you'll probably spend 50 hours figuring out what you want to do, which engine, fuel injection or not, what transmission, and then another 100 hours on how to rebuild it and what special tools do I need. And then it'll probably only take about 20 to 30 hours to actually build the engine. But while you're spending that time building the engine, there'll be another 30 hours outside the garage, double checking and finalizing as you go. Now apply this to every step of building this car. Many people that have built these cars have echoed the same thing. Lots of research. Now when you go to build your second car, it'll probably only be a quarter of the research. You're basically rinsing and repeating, but researching the new things that you want to try or implement. For those of you who've done it before, comment below on how many hours it took to build your car and how much research that went into it. Till next time, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons below and have a great day.